Oh shit, my mic fell. Gotta stop. Hold up. Something to keep it steady so that you don't fall on me. There we go. Now. Anyways, man, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to King Productions. This is the introduction to my channel, man. I'm super duper excited to get started. This has been something that I actually been wanting to do for a long time now. Just didn't want to put the foot forward in doing it. I was so, what's the word I'm looking for? Was I scary? I wasn't scary. I guess I was scared. Nah, I'm gonna say it. I was scared. I was scared, man. I think the reason why I was so scared is because I knew the potential that this channel had. I knew the potential that I had, and I was just scared to put my foot forward and be like, you know what? I'm gonna start this channel. I know what it can be. I know how big it can grow, and I was just scared, bro. But I was like, you know what? Look, let me tell you something, okay? A wise man, or I think I saw like a quote or like a tweet or something that said, what did he say? Oh hell, what did he say? The tweet or the quote said that your life will not change if you are comfortable or if you're in a box or whatever the situation is, right? So you gotta step outside of that. Being in front of the camera is nothing new to me. Do this on a daily basis, my nigga. But and I'm also trying to stop cussing. I'm trying to stop cussing, at least specifically for this channel, but I'm me at the end of the day, so I'm gonna try my best to control what I say. Anyways, I started this channel up because, man, I wanted to put my best foot forward and I didn't want to stay in a box. And this is what you had, man. This is King Production. I'm gonna be going over a lot of things, including mixing, mastering, what you should do whenever you set up your audio chain, how to record, what to record. Well, not because it's free. Like, it's a free country. You can record whatever you want to. But what I'm saying is how to record, what type of signals. This is that and the third. I will show you a tour of the studio that I'm in right now. You can see that this is a completely different background. I will show you a tour in a different video, let you know what type of stuff I have. I have the Yamaha HS7s, if I'm not mistaken, an iMac computer, a baby bottle mic, reflection filter, and acoustic panels. That's essentially my setup. And I can tell you the preamp and the interface that I got and the headphones, but that's essentially my setup. I will do in a separate video what I have specifically in this room so I can show y'all, and I'll also make another video saying what things that you need as far as building up a home studio, because I have a lot of homies that hit me and like, bro, you know, your sound is so good, it sounds so professional, what do you have, what do you record with in terms of, you know, the hardware that you use to get your professional sound? We will go over all of that, but for right now, I'm just going to explain who I am and what this channel is about. And it's a mixing and mastering channel. My name is Emmanuel King, and I am here to help you. Now, as far as clients and for people that actually want me to mix and master your stuff, I have clientele already, but I know that once I launch this channel, that it's going to grow exponentially, right? So I need to figure out a specific system in order to make sure that I can do that for y'all. So let me get that. It's gonna take me maybe a month or two to get that situated, but when I do, I will launch that. I will put it in the description and you guys can go to that description and I'll be able to mix and master whatever you want me to mix and master. Just let me figure it out first and then we'll go forward with doing that. What's the next thing that I got to say? Oh, templates as well. I'm also going to be launching different types of templates that you guys, because I know y'all want to sound like the baby. I know y'all want to sound like Drake. I know y'all want to sound like, well, for my females, y'all might want to sound like Meg Thee Stallion. You might want to sound like Cardi B, whatever, you know. I can legitimately make the audio chain so that you can just plug your voice in and then sound like them, or at least similar to them, right? So I'm going to do that for you as well. All of this is just going to take time. Give me a second, okay? But my name is Emmanuel King. I've been doing this now for, how long have I been doing this for? I've been doing this for a cool 11 years now. A cool 11 to 12 years now I've been doing it. Now, I will say that as far as me mixing and mastering, and I knew what I was doing, I put a cool 4 years on there. But that's also because I'm an artist myself. If you want to subscribe to my music channel, make sure that you go to the description below. I am an artist myself. So I decided, hey, you feel me? If I'm an artist and I mix and master my own stuff, and I mix and master my homie stuff, and I mix and master everybody else's stuff, why not expound on that. If you guys got any tips, or if you guys know anything that I'm doing as far as compression, EQ, while I'm mixing and mastering and doing my thing, or teaching other people, if you guys have any suggestions, then please put it in the comments below. I am always open to learning more. You feel me? I am susceptible to learning more. I'm not one of the people that get offended when people is like, oh, you didn't do this right, you didn't do this right. Nah, I'm gonna listen. That is pretty much it, man. I'm super duper excited to start this channel. I didn't want this video to be super duper long and winded, but as you guys know, I am a winded talker. Again, if you guys got any questions, please DM me. All of my social media links will be in the description as well. Twitter, Instagram. I'm still trying to decide whether or not I'm gonna answer my DMs on all of those, because I know this channel is finna go crazy. I'm still trying to decide all of that, but you know what? Just go ahead and DM me for right now. You know, DM me, email me. I got all of those contact links and stuff like that in the description. Excuse me. Again, super duper excited to get this started. Thank you guys again for supporting me. For those who are hanging in there with me, I appreciate that. And I will see you guys in all of the videos to come. So let's get it, gang.